Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Whew. What a day, what an emotional day. If you were there this morning, you would have seen what happened was very, very emotional. And I just put the video out earlier to share it with permission of the members. They said, yes, share the video. So I put that out earlier. All right, let's get straight into it. Where are we right now? We are, we popped all the way up 10%. But we're only back up again 0.16, but we were down 5%. So huge swings, but remember, it's very difficult to trade when you're out of the money at the moment. I'm trying to wherever I can. It's just a waiting game to try to get through this. Okay, that's what we're trying to do right now, just get through it. If it's your very first time here, please subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. And if you come into the live chat, you can be live on the screen. Let me go into Discord now and open up the broadcast lounge. We are live now. So if you want to call in, if you are a member of the Day Trader YouTube channel, you can call in live on the show and to have your say or talk to your friends or anything else you wish to chat, or maybe you just wish to have a dedication or whatever, you can call in. All right. Who have we got in the chat right now? We've got Simon Jones, Peru, our angel investor, Danny Joyce, and Mike. Come into the live chat now. Have your say. And who's going to be the first person to come on the screen? Let's have a look. All right, let's get straight into it. I think Danny Joyce has to answer the question. Did the margin call happen? I've actually been margin called several times. And I've had to sell and reposition and survive and hang on several times now. Basically, what happens is when you get margin, I mean, I've only had the first stage. There's several stages, I'd imagine. As you can see here, margin call now is, I think the number is, let me just have a little look again, where we are again. If I scroll down, margin call again is at 30,407. 30,407. So, you can see how close we are right now, 30,407, just over $1,000 right now. And then basically what happens is that line you can see there is the line you cannot cross. And I've crossed it several times. But as I've crossed it, I've already, obviously I'm sitting here watching it, trading in and out of Tesla. I mean, I must have done, God, how many trades today? 100 easily. Lots of micro trades when I'm off air as well, in and out, trying to claw a dollar, trying to lower averages all the time. And that's what's been happening. And every time it turns green is when I get a little bit further away from the margin. So that's why it turns green to red, red to green all the time. And basically, when you get margin called, you've got to basically get your portfolio up above that line. Either adding more money, that is now impossible. There's no more money in the bank. I told you this morning, only $5 left, literally. And my family of traders brought me to tears this morning, and you can see that video if you want to watch it. I just posted it. The members said, yes, post it. I asked their permission, and we just posted it. And then you've got to start selling. So now, if you've got no more money to add, you've got to sell something. So I've been basically buying a few things to sell that I know will hold their value and might actually go up. And I'll give you an example of what that might be. Coca-Cola. Now look, see what I mean? I bought and sold it. I'm up 0.23. It's money you can park that might do well in this market, might go up and make a lot of money, or in this case, look, if I hit margin, I can sell that and make 123. I keep making money all the time with Coca-Cola. And the other one is a Johnson & Johnson. Exactly the same thing. I'll share with you that one as well. And you can make money from those stocks. They're very, very safe, very secure. And through everything that I've been through, they always seem to hold up. Always seem to hold up. You know, there are up and down moments throughout the day. But generally speaking, they're always good, always holding up. And I've kept, until margin calls started coming in last week, I had these the entire time, and I've made dividends, and I've grown sort of 6-7%. Not a lot, but there you go. Look, Johnson & Johnson, the same. Look, I've made $1.68. This was bought this morning. So I've got Coke and And Johnson & Johnson, I can sell now. I mean, I'm up. It's making me money. You want to own it. You want to own it. But it's a way to park your money and sort of guarantee virtually some sort of profit. Glad your portfolio doing good today, Martin. Well, it's doing better. We were up 10% at one point today. Let me show you. We were up. Look at this. We were up. 11.62. But I couldn't sell anything because everything was still down. So I rid it up. I did manage to make some profits here and there. Made some on Tesla. I've now got an average of 774. My average was 989 just a few weeks ago. So obviously dramatically better there. I'm just down 7% now. I mean, that's good, right? SPCE. I managed to make a trade today. Made some money. Did a stop trading loss all the way up. Wonder where Sam is today. Yeah, where is Sam today? Anyway. But did everybody see the videos that I put out this afternoon? I put quite a few videos out today that we made this morning. And remember, those that comment first go into the draw for the day trader of the day. So we posted all these videos here. We posted SPCE, Apple, Tesla, Coke, Bitcoin, Rivian. Bloody hell, how many did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Trader in Tears. Did you see this? With your permission, I posted this one. You can see there, look, I'm in tears on that video. That was a video I wasn't going to post, but I did a live show this morning, and you guys wanted me to post it. We did, I think it was 78% vote. So thank you for that. And all those tips, by the way, they'll come in, and they will be in this month's YouTube balance, and then they will pay out. I will find out how much money I earn at the end of May, and then by the 15th of June, it will post into Google. Where does it go? AdWords. And then by the 22nd of June, I will receive that money. And that's basically now what I'm living on. YouTube income. Completely, fully independent on YouTube now. All my savings is gone. It's all in here. And I put all the savings in to prop up rather than going into margin. And when I say all my savings, it was just a few $100s. I mean, it's not not a lot. I've got about $5 left now. Simon, Leah sees all the videos. What's that? What's Simon saying? Did your wife see the video? Yeah, she sees all the videos. She comments and likes and everything. Good evening, family. We are united in this bloodbath. Yeah, she saw the video. Yeah, it was quite a dramatic morning. I was speechless, but it drives me on. And I appreciate that for keeping this show live and keeping it real. Okay, well, I want to ask everybody what everybody thinks about tomorrow. Friday the 13th, of course, has nothing to do with the stock market, but typically Fridays are a sell-off. Now, I'd be interested to hear from Market Profit. In fact, I'd be interested to hear from everybody. Do you think, I asked this morning, do you think we've hit the bottom? Is the recovery now, are we there? Muzanella, he believes, like I believe, stocks have reached a point where they're about to hit the prices where people will be forced to buy in because it's just too cheap, right? And I think we will start seeing things improve because inflation this month, it came down. So we could have peaked. Obviously, you can't call that until we've had a few months of it coming down. But it looks like so far on the first month that inflation has peaked. Well, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. So, you know, the bottom is nowhere near, but I do believe we are due for a major rally. This could come tomorrow or Monday. So market, what I was concerned about was today has been quite good. I mean, it bounced up 11%. It's back down now just 0.5%, which is, you know, at least at least we're not down. I was down like 5-6% before the day, before the bell went this morning. But I'm worried that we will get a sell-off tomorrow because people won't want to leave their money in the markets. So I don't know. What does everybody think? I called this video today. Are we preparing for Friday the 13th? Hang on a minute. Why is that saying that's? Let me refresh the screen a minute. That's showing the old title. I updated the title. Let me see if it's showing the right title. It should be saying, oh, it may have changed, but I'm not showing it there. Hopefully everybody is seeing Friday the 13th, a Black Friday, I think it is, Black Friday the 13th. Sometimes on my computer it doesn't refresh because I'm doing so much and the cache hasn't been cleaned out, but that's the way it goes. No, yeah, I think it hasn't refreshed, but anyway. Yeah. Are we preparing for Black Friday the 13th? So, your portfolio is doing okay today, but the overall market is still selling off significantly. Yeah. Well, as I say, as we go on, we start to learn our own strategies, and there's one strategy I'm now doing all the time. Okay. So for stocks I want to hold, like Tesla, okay, I will buy when a dip. I will look at the chart. Hello, he mentioned the word chart. I will look at the chart and see it coming down, start to see some sort of resistance or whatever. Market's laughing to himself. I do understand charts. I just don't use them. I see it coming down, and I think, okay, it looks like it's holding at this level, and then I will buy a share of Tesla. Remember, I'm holding my 12. I don't sell my 12. I keep my 12. I buy a 13th share, and it pops up 2 or 3% or whatever, or $2 or $3, and I will regard it as a profit, right? I'll take a profit. It lowered my average, and I made $2, right? I'm out, okay? You do that 100 times a day, it adds up, right? My target is $200 a day, so that's how I do it. So that's how I'm managing to survive, okay? So that's one thing I do a lot. I buy a stock that I like when I see it, thinking, okay, it's gone down, it's going down, and maybe we can come up from here. And if it drops another $1, I sell it straight away. Market profit will like that. Sell out, do what Amazon did. They took a loss rather than a bigger loss, right? So I will sell. If it goes down 1, I'll sell it and take the $1 loss. If it goes up $2, I'll take the $2 profit. That's how I do it. Lowering the averages, making a little bit, protecting myself. That's what I do with that. And then what I do, whenever I make some profits, rather than, for me, I know some of you say cash is best. You like cash on the side. I like cash to use cash. Cash doesn't do anything, sat there doing nothing. A pile of money in the corner does absolutely nothing. Just collects dust. Money should always be working for you. And if you've got money, it should be doing something, not just sat there. So what I will do, over the 11 months of my experience that I've had this portfolio, and bearing in mind, I might be not the smartest trader in the world, but I've stared at these figures and these numbers for 11 months, 10 hours a day. So I must be absorbing something. Talking to you, listening to you, and what have you. So I have seen over this period that Johnson & Johnson and Coke, I know some of you are bored of me saying it because you think it's a boring stock, but it's a boring stock that always makes money. And this has always made me money no matter what happens. Now, this was up a minute ago, a couple of bucks. It's down like 5 cents now, but it was up. And Johnson & Johnson, look, that's up. And I've kept that for like 10 months. I sold it yesterday for the first time because I needed to, for margin. And I had quite a few dollars worth of dividends over the last 10 months. I had a profit. It was all good. And I sold it. And I keep buying in. Every time I get a bit of profit, rather than just sitting there and waiting for something to happen, I buy in it. And as you can see, I'm up $1.35. Not a lot. But if now I needed margin and I would sell that, but at least I'd have made another $1 out of it. Same with Coke. You know, that'll come there. Or as I speak, look, that was down. Now it's up slightly. It's like parking your money somewhere safe that if I don't get margin called, I'll keep adding to it, and I'll get back up to as before. Several $1,000s of each. But for right now, rather than the cash sitting doing anything, I just keep doing that. So that's kind of my strategies that are working it all out. Let's have a look. I'll read some of these comments. All I know, it's my gambling. I will get 1,000% or I lose 100%. Peru, stay away from Luna. Yeah, you need to use Fibonacci if you're looking at support levels. Yeah, I know. I have the trading view as you talked about. I haven't got round to using it in the show. I perhaps should. And I actually am looking very closely at my analytics of the live earnings. And this will please the chart readers. Market profit, this is for you. I might even go big screen, right? Here we go. Market profit, I'm talking to you. And anybody else that loves charts, right? I've been looking closely at my analytics for the earnings. And I'm starting to rank 1 and 2 in the world above CNBC yesterday for the earnings for Rivian. And I'm starting to rank. I was number 2 in the world yesterday for Rivian. And we had something like 200 or something, 300 come through the stream. But we never kept people. And I'm thinking, why? Because you can watch the earnings with anybody, but I broadcast in 4K. The quality of the audio is the best it can be. It's as good as they give to me. And I put it through compression, so most YouTubers don't do that. The quality of my broadcast is 4K. It's reliable. It's a smooth stream, all that stuff. And we listen in to the earnings. And I rank for it. And people find me and come in, but I don't tend to keep them. And I'm thinking, why? I'm not talking throughout it. I'm not interrupting it. I'm letting them talk. And the only thing I can think of, and I'm waiting to see the reaction now from Market Profit, is they can see on my screen my chart and they know it's Robinhood, simple, whatever. And I'm thinking if on the earnings, particularly the earnings, I am showing a detailed chart, Fibonacci chart, I can't even say the word, showing all the support levels and the MACD and this and that and the other, they might look at it and stay. Because I'm thinking, why are you leaving? The earnings is the earnings. The presentation isn't from a YouTuber. They're just restreaming the broadcast, right? So I think to myself, there's no reason why anyone should leave my stream. It's the quality is as good as it gets. And if I'm ranking, I'm getting the opportunity. How can I hold those people? And that would massively be great for the show. So I'm thinking through my earnings, and we've got one coming up on Monday. It's Rocket Labs, I think it is, of using a much more advanced charting system, maybe split screen, to show much more detail. And when people land on my stream, they go, oh, look at this. You know, he's got the best charts and so on. Maybe see what that will do. So what do you think, market? What do you think? Have you watched any of my earnings? Anyway, let's read through these. Ali Tisra, yeah, I bought a $5 last year, took profits and watched the rest go to 110 and then to 0.009. Watched it again. Are you talking about the crying video? Day trader brought to tears. You just got to know about Luna. Market Profit says cash is king in these markets. Losing money day after day in the stock market is way worse than not losing any. Sitting in cash, waiting to deploy when the time is right. You're right, market. But one thing I believe, we love charts. There we go. Ali loves it. Hello, World Piano Man. Hello, chat. Hello, our cash prize winner. $50. Ace Denega won, and I PayPal'd him the money. Thank you ever so much indeed. He's over there on Discord as well. If anybody wants to chat to him. He's over there on Discord. Big bounce into the close. Looks like another trap pull. Let's have a look. Let's see how it's going. Up 0.98 on the hour. 1.85 today. Okay, let's see. It's still showing red. It's showing red because I'm very close to margin all the time. That's why my chart is showing red. Uzumaki, well, that depends. As long as you enable dark mode on... Yes. Yes, I always. My screens are always dark mode. Everything about my presentation is dark mode. So anyway, we'll see. We'll see, because I get a good number in to my streams on the earnings, but they don't tend to stay. And I'm thinking, what are you looking for? What are you looking for that I'm not providing? You've come to listen to the audio, because that's all it is, of the earnings. The audio with me is better than anyone else because I got a studio and I compress the sound. I don't just stream it, and I do some work on it. I'm streaming in 4K. The quality is there. I'm always on time. I'm always reliable. I've titled it correctly. I've thumbnailed it. I've done everything right, all on brand. What is it you leave for? Because you wouldn't get the presentation any better. So all I can think of is the chart I'm showing is simple, and they prefer a much more advanced chart, which is what I'm working on now. The trend is your friend. When we get a couple of weeks of green days and break resistance on these levels, then it will give confirmation that we may have seen the bottom. It's your show, Martin. There it is. That's been a while since we heard that, innit? There you go. Buying into these markets day after day seems like suicide to me. Yeah, but if you watch very closely, and I'm sure you are, market, I don't buy in and hold at these levels. I buy in and sell. That way, I've reduced my... welcome, Simon, to our channel. That way, I've driven our averages down, and each time made a profit, and each time put another $1 in the bank, and each time kept away from margin call. I mean, let's give me some credit there. The fact I've been dancing around margin now, on the line for margin, in and out on margin call, actually been margin called several times, and survived when others are liquidated and done and dusted. I'm still here. And so let's remember that. And also, I've not sold anything yet at a loss. Nothing. I've sold things I don't want to sell to get some money in, but I've not sold anything at a loss. And every time I buy Bitcoin, when it goes down, I don't want to add any more Bitcoin. I don't want to add any more Bitcoin. I've got enough. 3%'s enough. When it pops up, it'll be 5, 6, 7%, right? I don't add any more Bitcoin. And I don't buy it unless it's the cheapest price I've ever paid for it. Every time I can show you, every time I buy, it's cheaper than the time before. There's a whole list here that I've been doing it in and out now for days. If I buy it today for 26, I go, right, next time I'm going to buy it for 25. And if I buy it for 26, I'll sell it for 27. Always. So I'm surviving margin call while staying in the market. Martin, Dodge is better than Bitcoin, and even Elon says so. I can't buy into a joke coin. It's got a picture of a dog on it. That just seems a joke to me. That seems an absolute joke. But there you go. Piano music, please. Something to cheer us up. All right. Let's give it. You want a song on the piano? Let's go over. You've got a $2 tip, which gives you 2 minutes of piano music. And I'll do some boogie woogie. You ready? Boogie woogie on the piano. Happy music. You ready? Okay, here we go. 2 minutes on the piano. Here it comes. Here we go. Two minutes. to the trades again. There we go. Let's come back. That was a bit different, wasn't it? Didn't expect that this afternoon. All right. Okay. Back in the hot seat. That's what you get if you give me a tip. A dollar tip gives you 1 minute of piano. $2 gives you 2 minutes. Johnson & Johnson. There you go. See what I mean? Everybody says, "Oh, you're boring. You don't make money out of Johnson & Johnson and Coca-Cola." Well, I beg to differ. I bought. Thank you ever so much, Philippos Oni. Look at that. So we've just made $3 on Johnson & Johnson, buying more of it as we go. Hey, you beautiful, lovely, gorgeous Rocket Man. Oh, hang on. We've got a new feature. When somebody mentions a word, watch this. This was Tom's idea. You ready? I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me round again to find. There you go. When someone mentions certain words in songs, sometimes I go into a song. What about that? That was Tom's idea. He said, "Why don't you do that? If someone mentions a word like that, you can do an impression or something like that." My best impression is, what's he called? When a Man Loves a Woman. What's his name? Michael Bolton. I can do a great Michael Bolton. So someone needs to say, "When a Man Loves a Woman," and I'll go into Michael Bolton. There you go. It's a new little feature. I love that feature. You like that feature? I like that feature. Make sure you leave a bloody tip then. All right? No messing around here. Nothing for free. Nothing for free here. No. This is a paid professional service. Nothing for free here. And we've just come up to half an hour. And since we started, time for a quick 30-second break. When a Man Loves a Woman, but not Elton. Okay. See you back in 30 seconds. And we'll do When a Man Loves a Woman. Here it comes. Okay, we're just on a quick ad. Did anybody see the ad? And we'll do that right now. We'll do When a Man Loves a Woman. We'll wait for everybody to come back, because sometimes people disappear and you have to wait just a couple of seconds for everybody to come back. Anyway, let's have a look at where we are right now. And 33, 32, 32.8 just dropped off a bit. So Ali Tisro says, "When a Man Loves a Woman." You ready? Right. Michael Bolton, is everybody still here? I'm going to give you 10 seconds, because you might be on the ad. You might be on the ad. I don't want you to miss out. It's just too good. It's just too good. You don't want to miss out. Johnson & Johnson. So I could take a profit on that, but I'm not going to. I want to hold it now. I want to hold it and let it grow. Vanguard S&P is moving up. Still down today. Tesla is moving up. My average is now 774. Can you believe I have 12 shares here and waiting? All right, here it goes. When a man loves a woman, deep down his soul. There you go. What do you think of that then? This is a new feature. Here and waiting. Or Richard Marks. I can do Richard Marks right here waiting as well. And there you go. Rivian Automotive up 18% today. I'm still down 18%. Let me turn off that light there a minute. Ha ha, love that. See? What's arrival on? Please say 1,000. Yeah, it's on $1,000, mate. It's my new alarm clock. You made me jump. Oh, man. Today was a good day for the market. Today, I'll soothe you now. Who was it who said? Who was it who said? Who was it who said here and waiting? Lel Devaza. Do you remember Richard Marks from the 80s? Right here waiting. Oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. If you want to know what I keep pressing when I go off to the side, it's because I need a foot switch. I keep pressing a button which turns the effects on. Puts me in a little cave. How much have you made today? Well, I was under 30, was it 30,000 when we started the day? So we're up, if I look at the day position, that's interesting, yeah. Why isn't that showing on the computer? That is a bit strange. Let's have a look. Oh, there we go. I'm up $895 today, and I've traded several times and taken profits along the way as well. But there you go, $1,000 right now, $1,010. So, but we've taken some profits. Can you do Elvis? This is all getting out of control. I said we have a new feature. We have a new feature, and then you all just go. You just go silly. Never seen you looking so lovely as you do tonight. Never seen you shine so bright. Love me tender, love me long, never let me go. All right, you guys aren't tipping. You did tip this morning, technically. So there you go. Little new feature. Little new feature. Somebody mentions a word in the song, and I'm feeling like it. George for me. When I'm cleaning windows, chicka chum chicka chum chum chado tum tum chicka dum chum dum dum cha You guys are going to owe me money now. Now don't say we gave you money this morning. No, you didn't. You gave me money to make me cry. Now you got to give me money to hear me sing. Another day is gone. I'm still all alone, though you're far away. I'm scared to do too much in case I get copyright. It's a new little feature. Do you like this new little feature? Let's. I'll tell you what. If you like our new little feature, I want copy and paste in the chat. So you got to go like this. We love the new feature. Right, there you go. Copy and paste. If you like the new feature, we love the new feature. Can you sing on my wedding? Of course I can. Of course I can sing on your wedding. There you go. I often do weddings from my studio. People put a big screen on in the studio at the wedding, and I sing all sorts of stuff. We love the new feature. I sing Andre Bocelli, "Time to Say Goodbye," when you're saying goodbye to your father, because you know the mother of the bride and all that stuff. Yeah. Do all the time. Virgin Galactic, going back up again. We love Peru. What's Peru got to do with it? Love seeing a happy Martyn. Peter. Yeah, I feel a lot better than this morning. Bloody hell, it was stressful. But there we go. Let's go through all our stocks. Mullen we used to be in. We got out of Mullen. We're not in it anymore. Tilray Brands up 8%. That's better. Tilray Brands. Not looked at this for a while. So that's good. Tilray Brands. Uber. I'm not in it right now. Matterport is up 6%, not in it right now though. Joby Aviation, that's done well. These are all the stocks that were recommended by Peru Invest, by the way. IonQ up 8.5%. There we go. We'll look at Arrival as well, shall we? Ginkgo Bioworks up 6%. When I say we, I actually mean me. You would do a good Rod Stewart. Oh, hang on. You want to hear it? John Denver. All right, then, here we go. I am sailing. You fill up my senses like a night in the forest. There you go. You guys, you do realise you could sound clip these. You could sound clip these, and you could use them as ringtones. And I'm going to start charging. I'm going to go, who wants a ringtone? So you go, all right. So if you want a ringtone, If you want a ringtone in any of my impressions, you go, okay, I want, because you can record all this stuff, right? You can record what I'm saying. So you go, hi, give me a script. I'll charge $10 a ringtone. So I'll go, hi, this is Sam, and I am John Denver. You fill up my, whatever, or I am, hello, you've reached Sam's phone. I'm Michael Jackson. Another day, and whatever, right? Have you eaten them? Oh my God, have you eaten them? Eaten what? You just blow my speaker. We'll turn it down then. Bloody hell. Unbelievable. Ginkgo still buying ads. Ginkgo still buying ads. No. No, they're not advertising my videos right now, but I tell you what, IonQ have started slowly ramping up. Yeah, IonQ have started. Not a lot, but IonQ have started. But Ginkgo Bioworks, no, they've definitely slowed down right now. But yeah, it's interesting though, wasn't it? Anyway, let's go back to our main portfolio. Martyn for president. Looks like we've got a request here. Ali Isles is thinking, oh, he'll do it in a minute. He will. He'll press the button. He will. He'll press this button here.
Currently, your channel is something unique that I like about, because you're helping people. You relay excellent information and real information and no hype at all. That's why I like your channel.
And Paul B, when did the market lines have vocals as well as red and green lines? Please press it. Oh my gosh. There we go. Yay, did it. Yeah, 33,000. We're up 3% right now. Into the close. It's nice, right? Johnson, I've added my position back in there. That button should be a delete. It should be a delete. Paul B, you should never have said that.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Peru said he was going to call in 10 minutes. Did he? Let me have a look. Let me see if he's here. He's not in there right now. So who was it who said they want me to sing at their wedding? Who was it who said that? Time to say goodbye. Sunavi bemari che la soy. No, it's gonna be it. Conton me. There you go. You didn't expect this afternoon, did you? I'll tell you what, Meet Kevin and BitBoy can't do this. I don't think Meet Kevin and BitBoy can do this, right? Best YouTube channel. There should be an Oscar for the YouTube channels. There should be. I've got a message. Who's the message? Danny Joyce. Right, Danny Joyce wants to call in. Danny Joyce, what you're doing is you're calling me directly. Blew my headphones off. Right, Danny Joyce, you're trying to call me. Let me show you what you're doing wrong. You want to be on the show? You want to call in? Danny Joyce, you remember, right? Let me just check. Are you a member of the channel? I think you are, aren't you, Danny Joyce? Have I made you a member? Let me scroll down. Let me find you. Let me find you again. Let me find you, Danny Joyce. Here you go. Roles. Check the roles. Yes, you are a member. Okay. You go into the broadcast lounge, okay? Calling in. All right, this is what you do. You go onto the Discord, look, scroll down, and look at the voice channels at the bottom. See? The voice channels, and you go into the in-broadcast lounge. You don't call me directly. You go into the broadcast lounge, and that's how I bring you in. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Prue has no chitter-chatter. He doesn't. He doesn't have any. He doesn't have any chitter chatter. Not like you, Ali Tisro.
You should definitely join the day trader. Join us. Join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're gonna make some money together. And Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
All right, there we go. So we've got Peru on the line now. So we're going to have Peru live on the show. Shall we give them a big warm welcome? I mean, we got to start introducing our guests now, like rock stars. Imagine they're live on the telly in the green room, and we got to bring them in like rock stars. So we've got Peru in the green room. But before I bring him on, I want everybody, we want Peru. We want Peru. We want Peru. I want the chat to blow up, all right? I'm not going to bring him on unless everyone goes, we want Peru. We want Peru. We want Peru. All right, come on then. As soon as it blows up, I'll bring him in. I'll unmute him. He's getting ready. I'm getting ready now. I'm getting ready to bring him in. But you've got to earn it. I'm fed up with doing it for free. I'm fed up with giving it away. We want Peru. You don't even know what he's going to talk about. It could be rubbish tonight. All right? It could be rubbish. There we go. Look, the chat's blowing up. We've got the ladies and gentlemen, please welcome live to the show, Peru. You're live on the Day Trader in America and around the world, and you are in the Situation Room. How are you, Peru?
So good.
Well, that was a big letdown, wasn't it? That we got all the hype, and then we got a dodgy signal. Should we try that again?
Well, it's so embarrassing for me.
You're being introduced like a rock star.
I don't like all these noises.
All the noises? What noises? I can't hear any noises. Are you there?
Yeah.
How are you, mate?
Good, enjoying this market.
You are? Bloody hell, you're the only one then. I'm bloody hating it. It's horrible.
Well, as I said, my 50 to 60% portfolio is on IPOF. So I'm good.
Yeah.
And other than that, I'm just, day trading sometime, and I'm just riding for the swing trade. That's it. And make money.
Yeah. Well, we're looking at IPOF right now. This is I'm currently out of IPOF. I've sold my position. It's just 10:08. I was in that, but I'm currently out of it. So you're enjoying all this stress and drama then, Peru? How are you coping with it all? Because it's really giving me a hard time.
Well, because I know what's coming. So I allocate some money, in the first place, into IPOF. Plus, I'm dollar costing average with the DNA.
Right. Oh, we are struggling with your signal this afternoon. You're breaking up a little bit. Oh, we seem to have lost you again there. Yeah, we're losing you, Peru. Yeah, we're losing you. No, I'm going to put you on mute now for a minute. We'll come back to you. We'll give it 5-10 minutes if you move location or whatever. But is Peru in arrival? Let me ask him. I'll go back to him now. Let's see. Peru, if you're still with me, Paul just asked me, are you still in arrival?
Yes, I'm in arrival. Yeah.
Let me bring arrival up on the screen. Let's have a quick look. This is one of Peru's top tips, arrival. Let's have a look. Yep, we're up 8% on it now, but I'm down 54% though.
Arrival is some kind of stock. It's no brainer at this point,
It's one for the future, right? Peru, I'm going to mute you. I'm going to mute you again. And sadly, we've got you on a day where you've got no signal. So I'm going to let you go. And if your signal improves, go into personal message, send me a message, and I'll bring you back in again. But we don't want to keep bringing you in if we can't hear you. So just message me and say, yeah, I've got a better signal, and we'll bring you back in again. But here is Arrival, everybody. And as you can see, unfortunately, we just lost Peru for a bit. But we'll try and get him back, though. We'll try and get him back when he gets in a better signal. But Arrival, we know that the micro factory could be opening in Bicester in June, July. And I know where Bicester is. It's near Oxford in England. I've been there before. And if the micro factory opens and they start producing, this stock's going to fly up. But they have to execute. They have to get it done, and we'll see how it goes. I'm just waiting for a personal message from Peru, and if we get that, then I will bring him back in again. All right. So we'll keep an eye on a personal message from Peru. If he comes in, I'll bring him in. So. Leldavars has said, so do I. I have Arrival as well. And I'll quickly go back one more time to Peru as we've still got him. He seems to be in the broadcast lounge. All right, Peru, I've unmuted you again. Are you still there? Yeah, there we go. We do seem to still have some technical difficulties with Peru this afternoon. Never mind. I am driving, he says. There you go. That's what happens when you drive. You shouldn't be calling in the day trader and trying to get famous on YouTube when you're driving, you know. I nearly went into a song then. I thought Day Tripper. I was just going to do a Beatles song. Peru is driving. How do you know? How do you know? What's going on? We've got 10 minutes to go. The overall market now is up 3%. Moving back up again, 33,000, turned green again. Johnson & Johnson, Peru's driving so fast in his Lamborghini, radio waves can't keep up. It probably is. It's probably that. Feels like we might be setting up for a major washout tomorrow. We need a big bounce at the end of day to change the tide and current sentiment. Market Profit is predicting we might be setting up for a major washout tomorrow. We need a big bounce at the end of the day to change the tide and current sentiment. Let's hope so. I believe you're not holding over the weekend. I believe you're not holding over the weekend is a correct guess. I believe you're not holding over the weekend is a correct guess, Martin. My stocks are always, I don't ever sell out. I know the show's called a day trader, and I don't want to confuse you. But a day trader, as you all know, buys in the morning, sells at the end of the day, up or down, they're out. No, my stocks never leave. They are always in. I don't sell everything out. No. People holding long positions over the weekend. Yeah, I am. I am holding. My positions have never left. They've never left my portfolio. I don't day trade like that. I mean, I scalp trade, day trade, swing trade, long-term invest, but my stocks live in my portfolio. They don't ever come out. Right, Johnson done well today, up nearly 1%. Very nice. Happy with that. Good. Vanguard S&P doing well. Tesla, much better. Got a 774 now, just down 6%. Rivian, up 16% today. Still down 19 though. Long way to go. Virgin Galactic, I'm down 17, nearly 18%. I made a trade today several times. FTSE 100 hardly moved at all. There we go. Thank you. Nudge it, budget, move it. Here he is. Alex, how are you, mate? Amazon is up 1% today. Twitter is still down. Nvidia up, down 3.48, but moving up. Meta is up 0.97. Gores Guggenheim, I'm currently out of the stock. I'd like to be back in again, but I'm currently out of it at the moment. I could buy in there. I could. Lucid is up today 13%. Honestly, if the market is like today on Friday, I feel it will be weak consolidation before a small uptrend. That's what Sergio says. Let's see how the index finishes into the close. We'll keep our eye. Let's have a look at it. Honestly, if the market is light today on Friday, I feel it will be a weak consolidation before a small uptrend. Well, we certainly hope so, Sergio. We all look forward to that. I want to be 20-30% up on a couple of days and get away from where we've been, and then I can start a bit more relaxing about my portfolio. I mean, let's look at it on the live position. Lovely. On the day position, lovely. On the week position, bloody awful, down 25%. On the month position, down 40%. There you go. Now we're talking how it's all gone. And then we're talking the last 3 months, 38%. There you go. You can see the issues we've got right now. And then 45%, $27,500. All the money in the world. So I'll be glad when we start getting some numbers, some decent numbers, and, you know, get ourselves back like we were around about here. Let me show you. Around about November. I want to get back up to here again. Now, the good thing is, in November, I would be up here at $70,000. 71, 72, whatever. The shares I have today down here are obviously worth half of what they were up here, correct? But I've paid a lot less for the stocks down here. I've dollar cost averaged as well. So up here, I had stocks I had Tesla at 8, 900,000, whatever. I had Bitcoin at 35, Bitcoin at 40. Now I have it all a lot cheaper. So theoretically, in a perfect world, this growth that took 6 months to get, this loss could be made up in a couple of weeks. I know that's a huge ask, but it can. It happened here. Everyone said to me, it takes years to get back what you've lost. Well, that happened in a few days. Look, March 13th to March 24th. That was 2 weeks. We got back all our losses and then boom, off a cliff. All right, so that, who knows? Who knows? It might come back. I'm hoping so. I believe the companies are oversold. Anyway, we shall see. We shall see. We've got other stocks as well. Arrival and Tilray and other stocks that and Rivian now bought in at low prices, which hopefully will bring the profits as well. All right, we're coming up to Day Trader of the Day. It's Day Trader of the Day. We're going to end the stream at 3 o'clock because I'm absolutely bloody exhausted. So we're going to end the stream at in 5 minutes. We are back in the morning for the closing bell. Sorry, the opening bell. And everyone knows what happens on Friday. Every single week, regardless of how much money I lose, whatever, we will have the cash giveaway in the morning. There it is. There's the cash giveaway in the morning. If you've not yet watched the video, it's always the busiest day of the week. I always feature one of our members, and we'll feature a member tomorrow and promote them and get everyone to subscribe to their channel, as well as give a cash prize away. That's coming up in the morning. So we've got Day Trader of the Day coming up right after this quick ad. See you back in 30 seconds from now. Okay, we're just on a short ad break. Some of you see it, some of you don't. See you tomorrow, folks. Paul B is off. Lovely to have you here. Right, get ready. I'm going to bring up the Day Trader of the Day and see who our winner is today. Who wins the invisible prize. It's an invisible prize. You can't even see it. It's that visible. If we still got Sam, our Elton John guy, our Elton John tribute act, do you want to hear my Elton John? What I gotta do to make you love me? What I gotta do to make you care? What do I say when it's all over? There you go. Blowing at everyone's speakers. Are you doing a firm earnings at the end of the day? No, I'm not doing earnings tonight. I'm not doing earnings tonight. I'm absolutely whacked out. There's no earnings tonight. I know it'd be good. I know I'd get a good audience, but no, I'm not doing any earnings tonight. I did Lady in Red a minute ago. You can't have it twice in one day. What's going on with you? What sort of show do you think this is? This is a day trading show. Coming on here demanding things just because you're a member of the family and you pay a subscription and you're on Discord and everything else. Cash giveaway in the morning. Martyn needs to rest. I do. I'm absolutely exhausted, if I'm honest with you. And just before we close, you were away. You wasn't. Was you away? I can't believe you were away. I can't believe you were away. Hang on a minute. I wonder if I can bring this up. I've got to be very, very careful trying to do this. But it would be in... Where would it be in? I wonder. I was multitasking. Was you? Where would it be? Oh, here it is. I wonder if this will come up. Ready? This is me doing Lady in Red. I wonder if it comes up. There you go. Look at that. Right. This is me doing Lady in Red. Oh, yeah. You didn't know I made pop videos, did you? You didn't know. You see, you didn't know I did pop videos. Are you ready? Never seen you look as lovely as you do tonight. See, I'm not going to play any more than that because I'll get done for copyright. But how about that? Who knew? Who knew it? Never seen you look as lovely. There you go. See, you didn't know I did pop videos, did you? No. Some of you don't even look on my other channel. That's why. That's what's wrong with you. If you go Martyn Lucas, Lady, and go to the other channel, the Martyn Lucas channel here, and go Martyn Lucas, Lady in Red, you get to see me sing with that lovely lady there. But there you go. How safe do you feel your shares on an exchange? How safe do you feel? My shares are protected up to $250,000. Is it FINRA or someone like that? I forget the name of the organisation now. But yeah, it's protected up to $250,000. So I guess I'm all right. Have you seen the Turrets guy singing Lady in Red? I haven't. Should I have? The question is, Ali, have the Turrets guys seen Martyn Lucas singing the Lady in Red? That's the question you should be asking yourself. Right, day trader of the day. Enough of these shenanigans. That Lady in Red, Queen of Celebrating, that was for you. All right, okay, here we go. So, day trader of the day. Go to your main position. Are you up? Are you down? Are you sideways? Are you in or you're out? Okay, I'm up 5.15. The exchange I was on went bust. Oh, that's a scary thought. That's a scary thought, isn't it? I understand that Robinhood is protected. I think it's FINRA. I might have got that wrong. But anyway, up 5... It's, well, 4.93 now. 4.93%. Okay. Posting that. Oh, Nicholas Morello's gone and spoiled it for me. He's gone and spoiled it. All right. Here's a 1 minute timer. Here it comes. Oh, there you go. It was one Greg Secker recommended. Well, that's probably the problem. Yeah, I have no idea. I'm not knocking anyone down. I have no idea. Right. Queen of Celebrating, 6.79. Nicholas Morello, up 8%. Wow. Bill, up 8.17. Yay! We've got any advance of 8.17. That's a good day, isn't it, Bill? Chiggy 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 bap ba chiggy chiggy bap. Oh my god, don't mention that name. Bap ba. Down 40%. Our sincere support goes to Ali Tisro. Yes, he's had a very hard day with his crypto today. Wiped out 20 grand, apparently. Up 4.05. Let's blow the horn. Let's clear the clock. All right, here we go. Ali is up 8.1. Uzumaki is up 4.05. Let's see who wins. I think the winner might be, is it 8.1, 8.17? Technically, it's Bill, 8.17. Bill and Ali are pretty tied, but there we go, everybody. We've got a winner today. So I want to see, we've got the sauce man, the man with the sauce. Here he is. Yep, I said it. I said it. I mentioned the word. I mentioned the word. There we go. Thank you very much indeed for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up and let's give him a big round of applause and a cheer. Congratulations, Bill. You are our star today. You've made more money than anybody else. You are a rock legend. There you go. Congratulations. Bill, have you got any sauce? Here he goes. Here he goes. He's off. Here he goes. Here he goes. I feel like Ricky Gervais said in The Office. Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. Like, you know what I mean? Bloody hell. All right, none of that nonsense. All right, we're not even going to go there tonight. We can't go there because I've got to go. I haven't got to go, but I've got to go because I'm tired. Right, now then, before I finish, very disappointed, right? Because, hang on, the day trader. Let me refresh this screen here because I'm giving a prize for our day trader of the year. At the end of the year, person who engages the most, who comments first, all that stuff, right? On the homepage of the day trader, thank you very much. On the homepage of the day trader, right here, I've got all these new videos that came out today. Rivian, Bitcoin, Coke, Tesla, Apple, SPCE. It's an all-time record, plus live shows, plus Trader in Tears. That's going to be when I'm on some TV show, when I'm famous, they'll play that. That'll be on the telly. They'll play that. Do you remember when you like nearly went bust and everyone gave you a tip? Do you remember that? And now you're a gazillionaire. You're the biggest trader in the world. Warren Buffett rings you up for advice. And you do all these vocal impressions and sing and dance and do silly walks and you have lights and lasers and smoke. Remember that? Well, this is that moment and they're going to make me embarrassed live on the show. Anyway, there you go. If you've not watched all those videos and liked it, what is wrong with you? Call yourself a day trader. Call yourself a fan of the day trader, a member of the family. Get out of it. Only a couple of you watched it. Can you read my comment out on the tiers one, please? Wind up and watch him go. Can you read my comment out on the tiers one, please? Yeah. Let me have a look. Let me go to it. It better be nice if you make me look bad. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let me scroll down. And we have a look. I'm at 5% now, so I'm actually better. So I would have beaten some of you, right? Let me scroll down. It takes a second. Okay. 13 likes. No one has done the super thanks yet. Remember I told you about the super thanks? No one's done that yet. In fact, yes, someone did the other day, and it wasn't even a member. I woke up and went, who's this person? Gave me a super thanks. It sort of it makes your comment stand out in a big, colourful box, and it looks amazing. Anyway, let me scroll down. Ali, here we go. Let me scroll in. Okay. An absolutely outstanding moment on the day trader. The man who brings us so much entertainment, excitement and energy is given a hug by his YouTube family. I personally would like to thank you for everything you have done for me. Everything you are doing, and no doubt everything you will continue to do. That's a bit leading. That's like, hang on a minute, promote my YouTube channel. Help me out with my YouTube. Read out my comment. I'm only joking. And this is one of a hell of an amazing family. And without a doubt, the best YouTube channel. Chin up, Martin. We've got each other. Congratulations on what you have created. That's amazing. Now I'm going to like it later. If I like it now, it won't remind me to, I've already commented and it won't bring it up so I can reply. So I will reply to that. That's absolutely amazing. What a lovely comment. Thank you very much indeed. And Tom left one as well. Look, the support of this family is second to none. Thank you for your support. We can all see how much this means to him. Thank you from all the team beyond the scenes here at the Day Trader and the Martyn Lucas Show. I'm not going to read any more because I'm not going to cry twice in one day. That would be a little bit over the top. So I'm going to back out before I start crying again. I'm up 60% in Luna. I invested 2 hours ago. $2,000. Wow, look at that. I am up 60% in Luna. I invested. I actually did look at Luna, but it's not on Robinhood. It's not on Robinhood, but I don't think it would have been a good idea to get involved in all that. But anyway, I'm up $2,000. Bloody, you invested $2,000. Flipping heck, you're up 60%. Bloody hell. I tried to call you later. I have to call you later, maybe tomorrow. Still driving, lots of woods around me. Okie dokie. Martin, hear what they've said about the cost of living in the UK. An article Martin, hear what they have said about cost of living in the UK. An article talked about not hiring a private maid and holding off on an extension on your house. Hear what they've said about the cost of living in the UK. An article talking about not hiring a private maid and holding off the extension on your... Yeah, it's got difficult, innit? Times are hard. Got to wait before I hire that maid and maybe the extension can wait. Bloody ridiculous. There are some people like that who talk like that. Yeah, life's tough. I could only have 4 holidays this year. Yeah, whatever. A lot of bloody nonsense. All right, brilliant. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. If you've not gone yet below, not just because you love the show, not just because you want to support me, but you actually want to win the Day Trader of the Year and all the rest of it, go below the videos, this video, and find the uploads. What's the new videos? Like, comment, do all the good stuff. What you can do is you click the uploads playlist. If you want to, click see at the top, look, it says playlist. Click the playlist. If you really want to do something good for me, click the playlist and then click the uploads playlist or anyone. Just click a playlist. Has anyone done that yet? Click a playlist. Just bugger off to the pub and leave a playlist running. If you want to really do me a favour, playlist and then go play all. Look, play all. Special moments, Amazon, I don't know. Pick a playlist and go play all. And let it run. Just go out for the night. Leave it running. Let it run all night long. It'll just go from one to another. Time you get home, you're going to watch 50 videos. Top tip, by the way. Top tip to help me out. Right, that's it. Go and hit the playlist. I'll see you back in the morning. If you stick to the end of the video in the next 10 seconds, you'll get the link for the morning. You won't even need to think about it. Don't forget, it's Cash Giveaway Friday. We'll see you back in the morning with my wonderful $10 cash prize. And... I promise it's always going to be there. Nicholas Morello is going to do it, and he's going to rise up in the ranks of becoming the Day Trader of the Year. And at the end of the year, we got a star prize for the people that watch the most, comment the most, like the most, always there. My analytics shows me who's the most engaged. So if you want to put on a playlist and set it to play all, and make sure that your iPad or computer allows it to play through all the way through, you can play 20 back-to-back videos while you're down the pub. It's brilliant. It's great for me. Really good for me. All right, that's it. Take care of yourselves and each other.